What's up, guys? You already know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. So today we have a 2006 Toyota Tundra, and I'm gonna show you how to take the radio out of this because we are running amplifiers. So we got the 4-channel right here, and we have a sub amp. I already have the wires ran back that way for the sub, and then we got our power and ground hooked up right here already. Tester taped, and I gotta do some more zip ties and stuff like that. But I have to get my RCA remote and that wire up to here. So there's already a factory radio in here. I'm just going to show you how to take it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this done in less than 30 seconds. So right from the front, just want to let you know there's only 5 Phillips head screwdrivers holding this thing in. So I'm going to take up 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 2. So we're going to just reach up here and take out that Phillips. Alright, so to recap, screw here, 1, screw there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I like to pull my finger about right here and pinch, and then you should be able to grab. If I use, yep, get enough, work it around, boom. And now all I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mils right there, and now I have that radio out. So now that those 4 10 mils have been taken out, we have our radio, and it's just like how I left it. Alright, so now all I gotta do is run my RCA's remote wire up here, run the bass knob, and I'll be done. That pretty much sums this up. Just want to show you guys how to take this radio out, because if it's the factory radio, it's gonna do the exact same thing. Since he already has the aftermarket, we're just adding another amplifier. So that's all I need. Holla at y'all next time.